It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 19. There's not very many days left. It's kind of sad. I'm going to say fabric or a pair of socks. I mean, it could be random like that, right? Oh, felt. Monogram needle. It's a monogram needle book. Do you see this name, Bets White? I am a long time blogger, and I used to follow Bets White all the time. I kind of got busy with my own things, and so I've dropped out of that. But this is a lovely, lovely, fun surprise. I am very excited about that. Okay, so there is a QR code to access my pattern download. I cannot wait to check it out. So this one would be great to either like make for yourself or make for a friend if you're doing a gift exchange or something like that, because you can do the initials. I love the additional flowers on there. Ah! This was a fun surprise. I'm not gonna lie. Yep, Bets White. She's brilliant and her designs are fabulous.